Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up a black box in your vehicle, ensuring you capture important footage. First, it's crucial to test your device. Simply plug it into a 12-volt power outlet to confirm it powers on correctly. Next, select an ideal mounting location, typically behind your rearview mirror, to keep your line of sight clear. Remember to thoroughly clean this area with an alcohol wipe to ensure the mount adheres perfectly, providing a stable base for your recorder. Once your area is clean and dry, securely attach the mount to the windshield. Now, let's tackle the wiring. Carefully route the power cable along the top edge of your windshield, gently tucking it into the headliner. Continue this process down the A-pillar, using a trim tool to hide the cable neatly. It's very important to ensure the cable does not interfere with any airbags, maintaining safety while achieving a clean, professional look for your installation. With the cable routed down the A-pillar, continue tucking it along the door sill and underneath the dashboard, guiding it towards your power source. You can plug it into a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket for a quick setup, or consider hardwiring for a more permanent, hidden solution that can enable parking mode. If you have a rear camera, route its cable along the vehicle's headliner, carefully extending it to the back of your car for full coverage. Finally, it's time for adjustments and configuration. Power on your black box and use its screen to fine-tune the camera lens angle, ensuring you capture the best possible view of the road. Insert a high-speed memory card, up to 128 gigabytes, and format it through the device's settings. Don't forget to configure essential recording options, such as loop recording for continuous footage and motion detection for parking surveillance, maximizing your device's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.